Okay. Does this work? Okay. Does this work? Yep, it's working. Incredible. So, okay. Um, so currently, we are waiting for Price of a Gem to start in 7 minutes, and then we are going to have some theme voting on Thor's stream, which is incredible. I should also start recording, so I record and stream at the same time. My GPU will love me, I'm sure. Okay, where else do I need to post this? I guess in feedback, whatever. Okay. Hello there. I actually see chat. It's incredible. I hope everything's working. I don't have music on right now, which I should probably do actually, now that I think about it. Music. Yes. I got the stream from recommendations. That's nice. I have no clue what this song is. Never mind. I don't know if the volume's good. Hopefully it is. It's probably too quiet. Only 4 more minutes. Volume for myself. Nothing's happening here yet. That's good. I've done a bunch of prep. I'm going to make a roguelike. I have all the prep in the world. Basically, these 3 will be my target games, regardless of the theme. We have Blood Show, Like Be a Landlord, and Roll. All of these are high score based roguelikes. And yeah, I just want to make one of them because they are relatively easy to make. They don't need a lot of content, and they have really good replayability, which is what I need right now because I have school and stuff, and that's not a lot of time to dedicate to the jam. To roguelite. I mean, yeah, it's a roguelite, maybe. Not sure. I don't know. That doesn't really matter, honestly. I have some inspiration here for music, mostly Terraria's music. Some, I don't know, like weird sound effects. And also I have localization set up in Godot already. So I just have CSV here, and I can just do localization after the jam. Because the goal is to put this on Steam afterwards. So this way I can do that really easily. It's very cool. And yes, I'm doing that in VS Code because Microsoft Excel is really bad. It just keeps the file open and Godot can't read it. Roguelike game fans get very angry when your game isn't ASCII dungeon crawler. That's a skill issue. Just, I don't know. So what's happening here? 2 minutes. Nothing's happening here yet. Very cool. So is the music volume correct? Is it too loud? Is it too quiet? Is it good? Because I don't really have a way to test it right now. Most of the time he's playing games, yeah. But sometimes he does game dev as well, because he has some games on Steam. Yeah, of course he pirates software on stream, yep. Obviously. That's where the name comes from. But yeah, he's just gaming right now. Jam starts and then we'll start voting for the theme. It's gonna be cool. Hopefully. Like, there's a very small chance that I can't actually make this. And then I'd be annoyed. Because I really wanna make one of these. I like them, they're very successful. Probably easy to market as well, because large numbers. Very important. You can like always build the perfect strategy and stuff. People make great videos about that on YouTube. That's a great marketing strategy, to just make your game based on those sorts of strategies. Terra Music is one of the best game OSTs ever, I agree. It's just so unique, and like there's always something different happening in them. It's very cool. Nope, still nothing. Jam time. Yeah, it's -5. So now we wait. It's jam time. Jam time, Thor. Come on. I haven't heard that. I haven't played Terraria for I don't know, like multiple months now. Not gonna listen to it now because I don't know if it's copyrighted, it's probably not. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, is he doing it? Yes, he's doing the thing. Where's my... No, music stop. Nope, my function keys are not working. Very cool. Stop. Okay, sound on. Time to thing. Yes. It's just mid compared to the other songs. Sure, fair enough. I paused this stream. Okay. Let's see. I wanna see what's happening in the jam chat as well. Nothing for now.
Okay, I'm going to be setting this up on Twitch side, so YouTube, you guys will have to vote on there. The reason why is because Twitch side lets me do more in the poll, unfortunately. And I want to set that up, so give me just the moment to go set up a poll. I'm going to do that through my dashboard over here.
All right, cool.
Well, load. Twitch is taking a minute.
Come on, Twitch. I believe in you. Let's see. Surely it's gonna be fine.
Okay. There we go.
It's not gonna be some...
Creating a new poll. Now, understand, this is round 1 of 2. I am turning off channel points for the vote, so you will not be able to use your channel points to be able to add to this vote. The votes are going to be 10 minutes long each. They're going to be 10 minutes long each.
Yep.
Actually, we're going to do 5 minutes on this. We'll
Why?
5 minutes.
No, why 5 minutes? 10 minutes was perfectly fine. Oh my god. Okay, so 5 minutes per theme. For like... I assume he's gonna do 5 themes again. In one poll. I assume. Because that's how it was last time. I need to...
Alright. The first 5 categories that you're voting on are going to be 60 seconds. Everything has a cost. You are the weapon, the moon. And all you need is 1.
Okay.
Poll is started.
60 seconds definitely not, because that sounds too stressful. You are the weapon is pretty good. Everything has a cost is pretty good. The moon is awful. All you need is 1 is pretty good.
Chat is off. Go and vote for the thing that you think would be coolest.
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's
this
only
is the
Twitch
boring
side,
part, but yeah, you are the weapon is the best
one. At the
one.
same time, Twitch lets me put 5. You're gonna have to vote.
It's
on
either you are the weapon
yeah.
or everything has a cost. It's pretty good.
On Twitch side, we have 28,000.
Yeah,
on YouTube,
you're doing you are the weapon. It's gonna win anyway.
Yeah, come vote. Come vote. I am a weapon. Yeah. The moon, though. The moon could be haunted, chat.
You are the weapon definitely has roguelike potential, which is why I like it. Everything has a cost also has that. You are the weapon. I'm choosing you are the weapon. All you need is 1. It also has roguelike potential. But yeah, you are the weapon is winning by a lot, so it doesn't really matter what I choose. But you are the weapon. Pretty good. I would be happy with that.
On? Yeah, I'm gonna do TTS.
Mandoodly with 500 bits said, "Did you know tulips can be any color but blue?"
No.
However, in America, tulips.
Okay. Now we wait for 5 minutes.
Mandoodly with 500 bits said tulips.
Incredible.
There it is. That's a ligma. It's like a really obvious ligma. Like, come on.
21k points.
Come on.
It's a tough theme. Probably. But that's fine. Tough themes usually make you more creative.
And don't want to pay mobile price, so here's 1,000 bits and a dream of getting a gifted sub from a kind random goblin out there.
Bro, that is wild. Yeah, no, never buy bits or subs on mobile.
Donated $50 to charity.
That is incredibly nice of you. Lol Chugalug. We're at $72,000 in the charity.
Okay, well, now we wait. Time to turn the music back on. Is there anything that's not... Okay, thank you. Something more upbeat. I mean, yeah, this part is very boring in the jam. Do I have my cursor on? I don't. Wow. Great streamer, by the way. Now I have my cursor on. Do I have my cursor on for this? I do, okay. Because I have my second monitor, haha! Incredible. Oh my god, that steals so much. I don't really have anything to do right now. Actually, I can show my Godot splash screen animation that I'll probably replace later. This is basically like all the prep I did. That I have a Godot splash screen. and also like set up a bunch of things. Like a bunch of add-ons I might use. Definitely wanna use the console thing, because debugging has always been kind of bad for my previous Game Jam games, so I wanna make sure that I can do debugging a bit better, a bit easier. How much more time? Oh my god, there's still like 30 seconds left. But yeah, I'm not surprised that you are the weapon is winning. It's definitely a great theme. All you need is one is, yeah, probably my second pick as well. But these are very similar. Oh wait, I need to document this. Wait, hold on. No. I need to document these themes. 60 seconds. All you need is one. Everything has a cost. The moon. And you are the weapon. Winner. Okay. Now the second set
has won round 1. The second round. Let me go build it now. Which theme? And it's going to be the themes of The Boss, Dig, Side Effects, Instability, or Do It Again.
Do It Again.
Poll has been started.
Probably. The Boss makes no sense. Dig is just dumb. Side Effects, maybe. Instability, no. Do It Again, probably.
It's pinned in chat.
And probably You Are the
Just
Weapon
go
will win
click the
from
pin,
this.
dude. It's actually not even pinned. It's actually.
Wait, why
part
is
of
Side
Twitch's
Effects
UI.
winning?
If you can't see it, refresh the page.
Huh.
Oh. What are you
This
guys
one's
building
closer.
with it? Oh.
I still think
There was a really strong push for
You Are
one
the
of them,
Weapon
and now it's been completely
will
upset.
win from
How does the theme work?
these
It'll be
two.
the theme for the entire game jam.
Surely
Where's Hubert?
Side
Didn't he wanna
Effects
be here
doesn't
for
beat
this?
You Are the Weapon.
I don't know.
Surely not.
I don't know where he is.
Oh wait, will Twitch just say both
Mr.
again?
Christopher Yee. I messaged him.
It's actually pretty close.
I said jam vote happening now, and I added him.
No, thank you, Jester. First time game jam, nice.
You Are the Weapon is cool. You Are the Weapon is pretty cool.
Good luck. Just make sure to scope for a really small game.
You guys voted on that
That's
one.
all
for
you
round
really
1.
need to do. It's gonna be fun.
Why are there 2 polls? There's 10, that's why. There's 10 total themes. You guys choose 2 of them in back-to-back. And then
Okay,
you
can
choose
go
one
quiet
of
now.
those 2. You guys have chosen so far. You Are
I'll
the Weapon
be right
has
back
been
real
chosen.
quick.
So
Wait, do I
far,
have
You
a
Are the Weapon.
thing for this?
But now
No,
you're
not
choosing
really.
the second one, and then we're gonna have those 2 vote against each other.
I guess I shouldn't be streaming this while I'm not here, because that's kind of bad. Okay, so I'll be right back.
Now it's 3 total rounds. What theme for the game jam, my dude? We do one of these every 6 months. What is instability? They're open-ended for a reason. What do you think it means? gotta move around so I don't log out. Are mobile games allowed? Read the rules. It's browser-based games. You have like 30 minutes for logout? Do you really? Oh, the ads. We're gonna wait on the ads.
Enigma Codes donated $25 to charity.
Don't say read the rules, loser, dude. What's the matter with you? Don't be a dick. See you in 10 minutes.
Oh,
Jesus.
I'm back.
Binging your content over on YouTube? Outer Wilds was crazy. Glad to catch you live. Dude, I love that game. That game was so much fun. And it sucks because, like, you can only ever
Okay, so
play it
side
once.
effects is winning. Which is a bit surprising.
$25 to charity.
You participate
Honestly.
in Game Jam? I'm probably going to work on Block Game during Game Jam. I want to play Path of Exile 2 today because, like, it's fun.
It's a bit surprising
Yeah.
to me.
Also, thank you for those
But
donations.
surely You Are the Weapon is winning.
Going through that game right now, it is one of my favorite games of all time. Hands down. I love the shit out of it. Is ThreatLocker a new sponsor? Yes, they are. Yep. They help with security for corporate and companies.
You Are the Weapon would be really fire. Okay.
All right. We're going to wait for the ads. But the next winner
Other
is
ads.
Side Effects. Very interesting choice. I didn't think that one would win. I didn't
Yeah,
actually
neither
think that
did
one would
I.
win. I should hit them up for my company. It's definitely something that... Basically, the reason that I ended up choosing them for a sponsor, because I'm highly restrictive on that shit,
No,
is
you don't
so
get
many
to
security
talk about
companies
your
have come to me
sponsor
and
deal.
said to me,
No.
Like, oh, you gotta sell our product. And I was like, okay, who's your product catered for? And they always say everyone. And then I stop conversations with them. These guys, when I said that, they said, oh, no, this is specifically for companies. Only for companies. The average user isn't going to need this. And I was like, okay, now tell me more about your business. And I was like, good. And they've just been fantastic. So I'm more than happy to work with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
'Cause
make
I
the
don't want-
next
I
vote,
just don't
please.
want
And hopefully
that
You Are the
shit to
Weapon
be like,
wins.
you need to get a
If it
VPN for
doesn't,
security.
then
I'm like, no, you don't.
that's
It's not.
unfortunate, to be
Not
honest.
that shit. All right, so round 3. You Are the Weapon versus Side Effects.
As I didn't
And this is it. It's
document
not gonna
the
be a double theme.
themes,
There will
whatever.
not be a double theme. Whichever one wins, wins. And that's it. So vote for the one that you want the most. There is no double theme this time. That is not going to happen. All right. New poll. Which theme? We've got You Are the Weapon and Side Effects. We do not allow additional votes.
You Are the
Poll has
Weapon.
started.
Surely.
The poll has started.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty safe.
Seeing some strong support. It's going, dude.
Yeah.
Aftorn donated
Oh, please don't
$69 to charity.
try to tie it.
Shout for your favorite one, the one you want everyone to vote for. You can do this. You can spam it.
Toasted Waffles
Yeah, that's pretty
donated
safe.
$100 to charity.
Thank you for the $100 to charity and the $69 to charity. You guys are amazing.
Okay.
Ready for you. You can do it.
Yeah, I think it's winning, definitely.
I believe in you guys.
They aren't going to make up 600
is
votes
underway.
just randomly. Although there are 30,000 viewers, so maybe. And I don't expect it. Side Effects is more fun, some guy says in Discord.
You guys got a lot more time left.
Nah, not really.
You got a lot more time left, dude. I actually don't know which one's going to win.
Yeah, you don't need to make fighting here. It's not necessary. Weapon doesn't have to be about fighting. But yeah, we'll see. Oh my god, it's so long. Why is it 5 minutes? Actually, this seems like 10 minutes. It's probably
Let's
not.
see.
But it
View. We're gonna
looks
do
so
root
long.
rep.
Yes, I'm gonna do face cam later. I just wanna have this part clean, I guess. Why? You have like a million frames
Alpha
from
Puffer
just
Fish
this
donated
live stream. Okay,
$50
no,
to
stop.
charity.
Like, I think you'll get enough frames of my face from just this stream, and I'll do this for like 2 weeks straight. Probably not all days, but like most of them. Because if it's like a boring thing, then I'm just not gonna stream it. Okay, well, that's gonna take forever. I think it's pretty safe though. So, you are the weapon. Like that. Incredible. I think we just need to talk about the weapon part. That's I think the most important thing here. Anything happened here? No, nothing. Cool. Wow, people are saying weapon theme is trash. Whoever voting for it, literally why? Yes. I love the toxicity. Okay, cool. So it's over. Yay. You are the weapon one. Incredible. Okay, well, now what? Do I need to stay here? Probably not.
All right, chat. You have
Stop.
voted. 57% of you.
Carry Oats donated $50 to charity.
Thank you for the $50 to charity. 57% of you went for you are the weapon. Now, you are the weapon doesn't necessarily mean that you're just the weapon. All right? Here's a short description that I just wrote up. This theme can be expressed in a number of different ways. Maybe you're cursed and become a weapon that other characters have to wield. Maybe you're an integrated organism that pilots a world-destroying gun. Maybe you're Doom Guy. He's basically just a weapon, let's be real.
Yeah, fair
Whatever
enough.
the case, you exist to, I'm going to say, inflict pain. Oh, wait. Maybe you could even take that in a different way.
No, why I see doing the brainstorming for us. No, stop. No, no. No, stop it. Oh, never mind. That's kind of a lame one, for sure. I mean, okay, that's one way to define it as well.
Yeah, there's so many different ways to do this. Yeah, there's so many different ways to do this. Could I be a healing weapon? Maybe.
Okay, cool, bye. So, what do we do with this? Sure. So, of course we have, I need to put, I'm gonna put this here so no one gets confused. I don't want to define this beforehand, so it's like roguelike where you get score for whatever you're doing, I guess, but I don't know. This needs to have like a good definition so I can work with it. Hello there. Okay, this is a decent enough definition. Actually, I should okay. Also, I need to turn on face cam, and wait, hold on. Let me. Okay. Incredible. Am I here? I'm here. Hello. So, we have this. What am I supposed to do with it? I need run. Not run, weapon. Weapon definition. Can I? No, I can't. Let's just do that. Bam, weapon. Am I even allowed to have this on YouTube? I'm not sure. Means of gaining an advantage or defending oneself in a conflict or contest. Thing designed or used for inflicting bodily harm or physical damage. Okay, well, you can, okay, so there's definitely a way where you're like actually the weapon. You are the weapon. And you need to deal as much damage as possible using combos and status effects and stuff like that. It's definitely a decent idea for a high score based roguelike, I think. And then you could have by modifiers, buffs, new weapon types, etc. Or you can customize your weapon with multiple, I don't know, attachments, sure, that give you different stats. Sure, not an insane idea. It's pretty good. I've been pinged by why? Oh, there. Okay. So what else can I do? This is one idea. I'm gonna group it together. It's not bad, but there's definitely more potential with this theme. This is a very literal one. Oh, that's a nice arrow. Nope, I can't move it around. Let's go. Yes, Pirate Software Jam started today. And the theme is You Are the Weapon. And I wanna make a high score based roguelike, which are basically these sorts of games. So Belch Roll, like Be a Landlord, or Roll. Something like that. That's my goal basically. This is all my prep. This is what I'm working on now. Yeah, You Are the Weapon. It's an interesting theme. I know why a lot of people hated on it in the Discord server, but I think it's better than whatever the other one was. Side effects. I need a second idea, because I'm definitely not going for the first one. Yes, hello there. I know I'm supposed to know you, but I don't. Different country weapons. Country weapons like shield. What? What do you mean? I have a feeling there's more to this. Okay, wait. I didn't do one thing. Weapon synonyms. That's what we need. Yes. Okay, that's a lot of guns. As defense. Okay, let me screenshot these real quick. Oh, actually, I should screenshot it like this. Check Discord. What did you send me? Oh, that. I don't want to do cards, to be honest. He's saying this. Can I? Hold on. I can't see anything because my webcam is covering up the entire thing. It's so unfortunate. Wait, can I do it like this? No, that's just gonna log me into Discord. Wow. Oh wow. I get what you mean. But I don't think I wanna do that. Because that seems like a lot of drawing and I can't do that right now. We have that, we need the defense one. Maybe just making a word cloud right now, aren't I? I don't need this. Okay, cool. So let's just keep looking at this while I get an idea. Can actually make a cookie clicker type game from this as well. I'm just gonna give that idea to chat. Still don't have another idea. Okay, what did I write here? So we have shops, passive abilities, combos. Yeah, how can you do combos here? Yes, with multiple weapons can do combos. I mean, I could actually just make a weapon themed deck builder. Combos. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do it here. Deck builder, where you collect different types of weapons. Each weapon. Can we do that now? Wait, that's just gonna show up on the stream anyway. Oh well. Why? Why do you wanna do that? Good luck, thank you. Good luck for you too. But in battle, position of items actually matter a lot. Yeah, I know. That's why it's yellow. It like mostly matters, but it doesn't matter as much as in the other two games. That's why I put it in yellow. But I know it matters. Okay, so each weapon has a unique thing that allows a combo to happen. Something like let's do it in a separate thing. What if that unique thing is RNG? I'm not sure. Are you going to make a video about making this game after jam? Yes. In fact, I wanna make a video where I like go from this point, so like brainstorming all the way to Steam release, because that's the plan. Do I have the image here? No, and I can't see it because my camera is blocking everything. Where does this open? Here, okay. I need... Hold on, give me a sec. What? Like this. This is the master plan. I don't know why I didn't paste it here. It's very risky. But if it works, then yeah. Is actually RNG on the enemy status. Like the weapon affecting the status of the enemies entirely. I'm not sure what you mean. But okay, so this is the master plan. So basically we make the jam game. We win. Which may or may not happen, I don't know. If I don't win, I still text-to-speech Thor, so I get free promotion. It works every time, I've done it in the past. And that's gonna give me a bunch of wishlists. Winning the game jam will give me some clout on socials. So during press preview, which starts on the same day, maybe some of the press will actually pick up my game, maybe, I don't know. Give me even more wishlists, and then in next fest I just profit, because it's an incredible plan. But this all depends if I can appeal for next fest. Which in theory I can. I've seen it happen. But that means I have to start setting up my Steam page quite early, but that's fine. I'm gonna put this here. This is Obsidian, and it has a canvas feature. Just click here and it creates a new canvas, and then you can just do whatever you want. Just double click and it creates a box you can write stuff into. You can paste in images, you can paste in entire websites, even YouTube videos, anything, to be honest. And then there's also a community plugin which allows you to make these Trello-like tables. So I can just do everything inside Obsidian, and it's really nice. I use it every day, even for schoolwork as well. Thank you, no problem. I like this one as well. Actually, the only thing I don't like about this is that I would have to draw a lot of weapons, which I'm not that good at. But at the same time, that's fine, to be honest. I can grind out some pixel art weapons. I just have to learn how to do it. I wanted to write something here. Yeah, rerolling could work here as well then. Okay, wait, give me a sec. Git? Okay. Never mind. Maybe now. My voice is just going away, like, immediately. So unfortunate. Yeah, how would I do rounds here? So like, you have, okay, actually I should make a graph for this. So you have the run, and inside the run, let's not do it this way, let's do this way. So you have the run, then you have turn, I guess, or what should I call it? I'm gonna call it fight here. Nah, let's call it turn. And then this turn has the fight, and then drop. And then maybe something else, I don't know, some random event. Oh god. No. Obsidian, please work. Thank you. Random events. What platform am I developing on? You mean my game engine? I'm using Godot. It's right here. Are there any restrictions? I don't know what you mean by that. Like in the game jam or in my game engine? Because the theme is you are the weapon for the game jam. Like I sort of made a restriction for myself that I'm gonna make a high score based roguelike. In game jam. Yeah, in game jam it's just this theme that you are the weapon. Yeah, okay. So I have two ideas here, I guess. I have a feeling I need to start adding twists to this. So twist is basically like a mechanic that like complements your main mechanic. It just makes the game more interesting because it's a bit unexpected, sort of. Yeah, I think it's just a bit too basic, and it just doesn't work with the high score based roguelike thing that I want to do. I guess I can take another look at it just to show it. So this theme can be expressed in a number of different ways. Maybe you are cursed and become a weapon that other characters have to wield. Maybe you are an integrated organism that pilots a world-destroying gun. Maybe you're Doom Guy, he's basically just a weapon, let's be real. Or even taking in a different direction, maybe you are the weapon that kills things like viruses and saves people. Whatever the case, you exist to influence your surroundings in a different way, have fun, the theme, do something weird with it, okay. You influence your surroundings in some direct way. I still wanna do weapons, like literally just weapons, because that definitely makes the theme, what's it called? The theme implementation much easier to understand. So that's why I wanna do weapons, and then also the theming isn't that hard to follow, I think. So we could go a bit like weirder here. That's not gonna work for the high score based roguelike. Definitely wanna have a third idea before I start doing anything. So I'm gonna check the jam channel in Discord. I love how people are just reading the rules now and they realize that, oh yeah, they have to make a browser game. Can't really say anything to that. Is anything happening here? Nope. Okay, cool. What do I do though? I need a third one. Definitely. Or do I just start adding twists to this? Are there any twists to any of these games? I don't know. See. I'm doing this solo, like always. I've done... Now this will be my 16th jam. Solo. I think, or 15th, I don't know. So here the twist is that you have 2500 rolls total. I think that's the twist here. So it's like a limit. And dice has 6 sides, I guess. Sure, we can go with that. Or like be a landlord, is that you have a slot machine. So slot machine makes deck building more interesting. Limited slots. And then for Belcher, is there anything twist-like? Not sure. Yeah, I've been doing this for 5 years. Believe it or not. What's the twist for Belcher? It's poker. That's not really a twist, it's more like a theming. Not sure what the twist is for Belcher, at least not right now. I guess that you can make... Actually, the jokers aren't they? Yeah, the jokers are powering up your cards, yeah. Okay, so this is limited rolls, or runs, I get, not turns, limited turns. This one has limited slots, so you only have 25 slots per turn. And here the twist is just combos. Which I mean, it's an okay theme. Twist. Bonus for picking / not picking blind and play. I feel like that's just a game mechanic, not necessarily the twist. And like, the game could still work without that. So this one is like Be a Landlord. Pretty popular game. It has, how many? 9,000 reviews on Steam. Pretty good. A role is less known. It's kind of older as well. It has like, how many? 400 reviews. It's still pretty good. You can actually try this one on Android for free. I would say it's not as interesting as the other two. It's kind of boring, and there's a lot of things that like a lot of mechanics they throw at you immediately when you start playing, which I don't really like. This is Obsidian. Just Google Obsidian and you'll definitely get a result. You can like create canvases and make all sorts of stuff. You can also just take regular notes if you want to. It's very cool. Would definitely recommend using it. So, what do I do now? I need the third one. Or I add twist to this. What twist could I add to it? So we have limited slots, limited turns, and then we have combos. Why didn't that put a dot there? Thank you. Do enemies incapacitate your weapons? Not sure. I don't want to do enemies like in the normal sense of like an arcade shooter that you have enemies running towards you. This is more like these types of games where you just have a goal to reach. So that would like, I don't know, there would be like a shield in front of you or something that you just have to do enough damage to like keep going in your run. That's kind of the thing. I don't want to make like normal enemies, as in like there are multiple enemies and they like attack you back and you have health and stuff. I don't want to do that. I think you can do much more if you do it without it and you focus on the combos instead. You got it, nice. So here you have the combos here to overpower them, but they are just there, so you just need to combo it, yes. And you like get score as a reward or something. And so you can like make huge combos with like lots of score, lots of damage, and that's great for clickbait. Because of course I have to clickbait. Great marketing strategy, by the way. I don't want to do this though. It's kind of just simple and good. Yeah, so I could do like knife plus 1.5x move for next attack, stuff like this. Hammer, higher base damage, but removes all status effects. Knife. Then we could do sword, attacks twice in a turn. We could do throwing knives, because of course I have to. I play the finals, so I have to use throwing knives everywhere. This could be this weapon gets removed after 10 turns or something. Deals more damage. The longer you keep using them. Something like that. Need other weapons. Bow. 25% chance to deal triple damage or something. I don't know, gambling. We need gambling. More gambling. Everyone loves gambling, right? Not the illegal one. The fun game one. Like these guys. We love gambling. Okay, then we could have short bow, which would be 50% chance to deal double damage. Then we could have long bow, which is 10% chance to deal 10x damage. I have to do the maths for these to make them actually fair, but we're just gonna brainstorm for now. I could... What other weapons are there? Actually, Google, help me out. Why is there no music, by the way? Oh, did my speakers turn off? They definitely did. Yeah, that's funny. My speakers turn off if they're like not being used. So if there's quiet music playing, it's not loud enough for it to stay turned on, which is funny. Okay, so list of weapons. Not guns. List of melee weapons. List of pre-modern combat weapons. Sure. We're going on Wikipedia. Let's look at some of these. Brass knuckles. Isn't this illegal in some places? Let's not do that. I probably shouldn't be looking at these images, because what if they're like bad? They just get banned off of YouTube. Hunting sword, no. But I could just ask one of the people in my Discord server. Where's Johnny? Okay, I pinged him. Surely he can just give me a bunch of cool weapons because he's like into these sort of things. Curved two-handed swords. Great swords. Short swords. Oh, he's writing a list. Yes, Jolly, get in here. No, we're not doing a call. No. Okay, he's gonna get me some ideas. In the meantime... Oh. Longswords. Okay, what would the longsword do? Longsword. Every second turn deals 3x damage. Katana is just faster sword, right? But I already have a sword. So I guess I'm gonna make this a katana. Then sword will be something different. Deals damage. Ah yes, Caber. From TF2. Deals 50x damage. No, that's probably way too much. Deals 10x damage, but destroys 2 weapons. 2 random weapons. After the end of the turn. Throwing knives, chainsaws. Chainsaw, how would that work? Deals damage 3 times. Ah yes, the weapon invented by TF2 is totally not a hand grenade. Okay, but I know what it is like this. I could write hand grenade, but it's funnier like that. Deals damage 3 times, so it would like proc things multiple times. I'm gonna write that. I need to add more bows can break. The increments chance to break on usage. Nah, I don't want to do breaking mechanics. Oops. I need more stats effects. Guys can go away. Okay. What other stats effects can I do? There's of course 1.5x multiplier for next attack. He could do. Let me just like write stuff here. Effect. Okay. Status effects. We could do piercing armor or whatever. Armor piercing. Yes. That's not a status effect. Broken armor is. That's 1.5x damage for next attack. Some kind of whip. Big hammer, I already have that. Whip, no. I don't wanna do whip. Let's not do that. Have bleeding. Deals X amount of damage after every weapon hit, I guess. Isn't this an auto battler? Kind of is, actually. Oh well. Sword with a jet engine attached to it and can rev it up to make it swing harder. Actually, I should do multiplies damage dealt for every X amount of damage. 2 swords. Okay, what else? What other cool stats effects could I make? Let's put in question marks because I'll just figure out the names later. And there are modifiers as well. Ah, yes, banana. Something like open wounds. Sure. Sounds good to me. Wow, I cannot type. Incredible. Need a banana. What could I make for a banana? %1 chance to deal 1000 damage. Thumbs up. No. I don't want to do gambling for a banana. Use banana for scale. $100 multiplier 1% chance. That's just too OP. I don't want to make it like insanely unbalanced. Yes, it's a 1% chance, but 100 multiplier is a lot. I want to make it unique. So this should be rewritten to applies broken armor. Bleeding would be... I don't know. Throwing knives? And then this one could be... Caber, of course. Only 1.5%? I need a better idea then. What should the banana do, Jolly? Surely you have a good idea for that. Yes, you should create a new banana. Like, every turn. Or something stupid like that. No, there's no player here. You don't heal the player. Banana skin. So there are no enemies here either, it's just you try to deal as much damage as possible in a single turn. But no, you can't heal the enemy. We should just stack bananas. Because that sounds fun. Yeah, I think this is good enough. For now. Applies random status effect. And we need more status effects for that. Actually, I could do a dart. applies random stats effect. Oh god. The theme is you are the weapon. Very cool theme. I mean, this is basically the same, but here you only have one weapon and here you have multiple weapons. Multiple weapons is just easier to do, I guess. Yeah, but knife just pierces the armor, so it's like, I don't know. Hammer, big damage. Yeah, jolly, but I don't have time for that. Like, that's the sort of game you would make, but that's not what I want to make. Also, that would need a lot of VFX, which I'm not that good in. It is a skill issue, yeah. I'm playing by my skills, which is these sort of games, I guess. But it's just more chill. And also more marketable. Because there are a lot of hack and slashes on Steam, I guess. Yeah, do I need anything else, or should I just start prototyping? I think this is good enough for now. Could also draw. Three-day game for this jam. I mean, you can try. It's definitely not gonna be just 3 days. It's either gonna be like a day or like the whole thing, I think. I think this is good enough. Oh yeah, this is 2D. Is there any reason why I couldn't do 3D? So I would be much more confident with 3D. No, Pi Software Jam doesn't give you $100 anymore. They realized, I think, that Jam winner games aren't necessarily good for Steam, which is definitely true. And like a lot of the devs aren't ready for uploading to Steam, which is also really true. So I think they just removed it because of that. Honestly, it's pretty good. What's the price? Nothing really. Or like nothing of like direct value. It's like yeah, no more money. Oh well. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. Shoutouts on social media accounts, that does kind of matter if you put it on Steam. Game publishing feedback doesn't really matter because I'm not gonna do it anyway. So yeah, it's only really the shoutout that matters. At least for me, because for most people it doesn't matter like at all. Yeah, I have to make the GDD, yeah. I'll make it like off stream, like on a week in. Because it's just so boring. And like, I wanna have screenshots and stuff already. But actually, I think I can do this 3D. So like, pixel art 3D. Just like actually model the weapons, because I would much rather do that than draw pixel art. 3D looks cooler. I can do more VFX that way, because that's kind of the mistake I did with Onblight, where I started off 2D because it was easier to make, instead of doing it 3D and making it look cool from the get-go. Why is this jam so popular? It technically isn't. There are like And then like 70% I would say is just beginners who like got gaslit into joining. It's a bit rough, but a bit harsh, but that's kind of the reality. A lot of people are just beginners. Like they don't even know what a game engine is, and they just join the jam because the guy just says that, yeah, you can make a game, I believe in you. The cheat code for good 2D pixel art is... Yes. What is it? Good palette? Yeah, I know that. Simple shit, yep, I know. In-engine lighting, yes, I can do normal maps as well, I've done that before. Like, I can make good pixel art, that's fine. I just think 3D would be easier, and animation would be easier, and I can make better looking stuff, and also it's more appealing for Steam, because that's really what I'm trying to achieve. So I think I'll just go 3D pixelated, because I have to do pixelated, otherwise it would look awful. And then I don't know, rest depends. Alright, cool, have fun crying, I guess. So thank you. Now what? I guess I just start working. Godot. Bam, 3D scene. Call it main. Not into prefabs. Scenes, main. So we're gonna have a ground. And then I can actually do some stuff that I wanted to do for Unblight here, because I guess it's more fitting. I sort of thought about having just a bunch of like I'm just gonna call them podiums for now, but it's not really that, it's just cylinder. So cylinder, make this big, make this smaller, still pretty big. And so like I need to make this darker because it's just too bright. Incredible. So then you would have these like, I don't know, something like that. Of course they would be centered, probably. And then you have more weapons, then they like do that. And then there would be something in the middle here. I'm just gonna put a sphere here. It'd be like the enemy, I guess. And so then the camera would just go here. It would look at the weapon, and then it would just attack. And then go to the next one, attack, go to the next one, attack. And then there would be numbers to the sides, maybe. Let me like try drawing stuff here. So I can actually draw here. I'm pretty sure. Yes, thank you. So it would be like a gun, not gun. Anything but a gun. How do you change color here? Down there. So you would have knife. Knife. Incredible knife drawing. I know, I'm so good at this. And so this would have like, I don't know, 500 half. And then there would be, I don't know, facts here. Can I change size? Yeah. These would be facts. This is, well, that's just half. I don't need to explain that. And then, yeah. Camera, look at this. Look at. And this would go like, bam, explosion. And it would go like minus -50 or something. Go like plus bleed or something. Bleed. And then also like do it like X 60 or like 5, I don't know. Do it show like that? Maybe. Something like that. And then this would go to the next one. Next weapon. And then when you skip, let me this drawing. So then when you have when you wanna skip, you just go here. Or somewhere here, I guess. And then weapons just attack automatically. That's good enough. So that's kind of the idea. And then, once you're done, enemy disappears. And then you just like you're gonna come here, and then this will be shop, and there will be epic sword. That's dagger. Bow. Hammer. And I could have like the coins like stacked on top of each other here. Like in a large pile. And then, I don't know. 99 coins. So like all of this is in 3D. Because that just looks cool and looks professional for some reason. Would be this to this, back to this. I guess I'm gonna just share this in Discord. I could get this done pretty quick, I say. Definitely by Monday this should be done. At least I think so. Probably. Okay, I guess I would have to start planning now, but I'm gonna take a little break because I wanna eat something. And then I can do planning and then start prototyping right then. So, quick 30-minute break maybe, probably less. Yeet. Okay. I'm back, I think. Hopefully, yeah. So, yeah, planning. Okay. What do I need to... First I need to do the weapons part. There's the enemy part. Yeah, status effects. Move them here. Should I even plan this out? I can just start making it. Actually, let's just start making it. I'll do planning afterwards when I'm like, I don't know what I want to do. So let's Control X this. We make a weapon template, and this will have the podium. Which will be here. This is a prefab. Okay, cool. And this we have the mesh on top. Node 3D. Weapon mesh. Up. Not that high, like here. I'm gonna make it a cube. Because cubes are cool, I guess. Where's the box? There you go. I'll rotate it a bit. Probably should be smaller, actually. We need it to stand. Yes. Wait, have you been playing it like for 2 more hours? Because yes, it is infinite. Oh my god. At least you're boosting the medium playtime in my Steam stuff. It's gonna show like medium playtime 3 hours. But yeah, thanks for playing. Hope you enjoyed it. So we have a weapon here. We have the stand, and this needs to have a script. Weapon.gd. Actually, I'm already drawing. This needs to be weapon instance. Ah, it's fine. Weapon instance, yes. And then I'm gonna need a script for weapon. This guy will be a resource. Do I need it to be a resource? I do. And so, based on how I set it up here, it's gonna have base damage, attack amount, I guess. Although I can bake attack amount into the animation, which is probably a smarter thing to do. And then there are status effects, okay. So there is base damage. Let's set that to like 5, 10. Yeah, you should totally do that. I might even make my GDD in Obsidian. I think that's how I did it last time as well. And then I can just like export to PDF, put it on Google Drive, and like it's just done. Just love working in it. Although in something like Microsoft Word, I can like move images around like better. Obsidian isn't as good at that. So I might still stick with Word, I don't know, we'll see. So we have base damage, we need status effects. And we're gonna make status effects. Going to be another resource. This is your first proper jam. I mean, you can't really mess this up. The only way you mess it up is if you just stop working on the game. Because even if you upload something that's not finished, you still made something and you learned something from it. So you can't really mess it up. You can mess up the game, but I mean, you have to do it. You have to do that at least once. Okay, so how should I do status effects? Yeah, X amount of damage. I think I have to do it the scripting way. So I would have this as a node, and that's this, and then I could just make a script template. Status effect template. And then what it would do is it extends from status effect. And then I'm gonna add a class name for, actually this doesn't need a class name. And then it's gonna have a function I don't know, use. And this will take in a bunch of arguments. Not really sure what they'll be. I guess, well, no. Not sure if this is the right way to do it. But basically, if I do it this way... Oh. I have to change this to resource, I guess. So this way what I can do is go to instance, export var weapon. This will be just weapon. So I can create a new weapon here, and then inside status effect, no, I guess I do need to add the class name here. Should be able to add this here. Nope. Huh. I'm pretty sure this should be working. Not sure why it's not. Oh well. So we have weapon, we have the status effect, we have the weapon instance. I need enemy. I'm gonna call it an enemy even though it's not one. I should probably make this an auto load. Actually, nah. Half will be, I don't know, like 50. It doesn't need a max half. Doesn't really need anything actually. But make it a node 3D though, because I need the position. And I need to also make a game manager. Because I have to have a game manager, of course. Actually, I'm gonna copy some code from my game manager, from Umblight. Game manager. I need this one. Weighted random seeded. Anything else? Not really. The enemy will be referenced here. That way I can always access it, wherever it is. Very important. And then I need to make I guess I'm just gonna call it player, because it's still technically the player. Do I though? Weapon holder. And it's gonna be weapon spawner. I should call it a weapon spawner though. This guy will just spawn the weapons. Weapons. Okay. So, sort of are going to have coins here, which will start at 0. We're gonna have weapons here. And so it's gonna be a bunch of stuff like add weapon. Weapons.add, I mean append. I move weapon. Then these need to also update the weapon spawner. So I need a reference back to that. Actually, this shouldn't even have a reference to Game Manager. If I want to do it in a smart way. Wait, what's happening here? What? This is a weapon spawner, and this is bugged. Huh. I'm an indie dev, but I'm not participating towards Game Jam. I just saw your stream to say good luck. Thank you. Hope your project is going well. Weapon. I'm gonna put a weapon here, I guess. Also, a weapon should have a prefab. Like C. But actually, I should just use the prefabs, shouldn't I? No. This is fine. Mesh. Prefab. So, did I do it like this? I guess so, right? And then do function update. No, stop autocorrecting to that. Mesh parent will be a node 3D. Mesh parent.get child. Or actually, in mesh parent.get child children c.q3, then mesh parent dot add child. We need an instance here. Weapon dot mesh prefab dot instantiate. Then we add the child. And then mesh dot position. Because vector fix here. Well, I should just call this a spawn. Because updating this would reset the mesh as well, which I kind of don't want to do. Actually, how am I gonna do animations like this? I'm not exactly sure. Because I have to do tweening. Because the positions of these will differ. Or do I just bake the animation like inside code? Like all of it? All of them are just done via tweening. I don't want to do that. It's not a lot of control, to be honest. Could also just make it so that when they attack, they just like move there and then do an animation. That could also be a thing. I kind of want to do it a bit better than that. Oh well, doesn't matter for now. Yep, that would spawn. So, weapon holder. This can have an update function. Not pass through the weapons. Which is an array of weapon. Player weapons, I guess. If it has the weapon, so we already spawned it, then we're just gonna continue from there. Otherwise, we actually need to spawn the weapon. So I need this weapon template. Don't check Discord. Which part should I not check? God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. Test weapon. Incredible. And so we have that. We have the mesh parent. We have cool. Nodes. I guess. Children. So then I can reference this one. Here. Not that one actually, this one. Template. Oh shit, it's Emirhan. No way. Incredible. It's nice to see you. That child. Instance. Why is my voice like going away again? I don't like this. Not gonna calculate position for now. Just put it there. And then... Now what? I forgot. Oh yeah. This guy will be weapon instance. Yes. So then the weapon will be this weapon. And I need to spawn the mesh. Maybe. And so in here, open spawner.update weapons. Incredible. Also, I'm gonna do ready. So apparently I can just do this. Command name. Spawn test. I'm gonna bind weapons 0. Actually no, let's dump. That doesn't work either. Test, no. Weapon. Okay. How do you open this console? Because I like completely forgot. Oh, that one, yeah. So if I... Alright, I need a camera. I just kind of forgot about that. And also a light source, probably. Yep, it's gonna be 3D. Because I was like, 2D is great, but I can do it in 3D and it will look better. Because animation is pain. So if I do this, commands, yeah, spawn test. What? Yep, I forgot to set that. Let's try that again, maybe. So, spawn test. Incredible, it actually works. Cool. I like this console thing. Yes, I'm making everything. Okay, well, that's kind of a lie. Sound effects just like come from my thing here. I have like a massive sound library that I like collected over I don't know how much time. But yeah, I'm gonna combine these, do a bunch of sound design on them and stuff. Music, and I've been just making music for 2.5 years now, so it's gonna be fine. Okay, so I can spawn test. I wanna try remove test. So remove weapon. So just to check everything works. Spawn test. Yep, it's definitely there, and then remove test. It is very fun. And also remove test doesn't work. How am I gonna... Oh. If... No, I have to do this afterwards, right? I think. Also, these doesn't actually get added. Kind of forgot about that. Spawn weapons, dot append instance, and same for the data. One weapon's data has the weapon. If it doesn't have it here, then... Actually, no, this is dumb. I need to go through these ones. No, it's not really that hard. Like, I don't know, it just... I'm really, like, good at it, I guess, I think. I can make it work really fast. Music has been a bit dull. It's a lot harder. And you need to, like, make sure a lot of things work with each other. Sound design, like sound effects and stuff, isn't really like that. You just have a single sound which is like 5 seconds at most, and then you're done. I even want to check for deletions. I don't think it's that necessary. I'm just gonna have to... well... Or actually, if we have it, then we continue. But not for me, I just make something that sounds funny. Okay, yeah, but those are like mechanical and stuff that you actually need to think. But stuff like impacts, I found that you just stack a bunch of them. You make the tail longer and stuff. And yeah, add a bunch of reverb, delay. It usually turns out okay. Snares and distortion. That's a good idea, to be honest. So if we don't have the data, then I need to find the instance. I'm just gonna queue free for now. That's the wrong button. What's happening in here? Nothing interesting, cool. So, spawn test. Remove test. Remove test. Doesn't work. Oh, that's why. Press the wrong button again. Spawn test. Oh, you can just do it like this. Oh, that's sick. Whoever made this is just great. You can just do this and press tab and it autocorrects to it. Oh, that doesn't actually work. Never mind. Oh, yeah, because this isn't cleared from here. Need like this doesn't always work. With the index. Remove at index. Let's try this. I have a feeling that this will like not work somehow, because it always finds a way to not work. So I just remove test. Never mind, it works. Let's spawn a bunch of them. Nope, that works. Cool. Okay. So we have weapon spawning. Now I need to figure out get position at index. I got a stupid idea of that. You can find cocoa powder and milk around the game, and you can use those ingredients for cocoa as a way to heal. Sure, why not? Sounds like an Easter egg that actually rewards the player, which is always nice. They should definitely focus on making the game first. Then you can add stuff like that. I need a range. Let's say 5. Actually, that's a lot. Let's do 3. So I need paint. So what I want to do, actually, let's make this completely black. Must add this to the game. Maybe. You're definitely gonna enjoy it, so might as well. So we have a range here. 0, minus range, plus range. And then I need to have this split into, I don't know how many, I guess 7. And then I need this as a gap. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Sure. Let's add weapons per row, which is 7. God, how do you do this again? I actually have the code for it from Unblight, so might as well copy it, I guess. Where is it? Here? Don't need this. I guess I do. It's just, yeah, okay. That makes sense. And then we add this to an offset. Minus X range, I guess. And then this isn't a vector. I need X. This is fine. This needs to be by weapons per row. And this is... I'm not sure. Gap. Let's set gap to like 0.7. This gap times I divided by weapons per row. I think. Maybe. Let's try it out. Let's see. Wrong button. If I go spawn test, then nothing's happening. What? It's only spawning one. Oh, it's not a duplicate, that's why. That makes sense. So now I can't actually remove this. What? Why does this even care? Oh well. It's not spawning? Why is there still one? I guess he just doesn't care. Or actually, this should work. Yeah. No? It's not. Huh. It's kind of weird how this doesn't work. Pretty sure it should. Maybe if I duplicate it here. Wrong button. On test. More. No, it's clearly not working. It is working. I don't think this has to be 2 times that. I see something. It has to be 2 times that. Does this? No. Okay, cool. That's amazing. Exactly what I want. Actually, it's not because it's off center. Probably because of this. I would assume. Nope. Let me move the camera a bit farther away. And it's just simply not centered. I guess this is the problem. For some reason. Maybe like this. Yeah, that's correct. Cool. So then I'm gonna add an arc to it. Oh. That's gonna be Var arc. Arc amount. I need to weapons per row minus I modulo modulo modulo. I don't know. I'm not a programmer enough, I guess. Weapons per row. Yep. Wait, no. Divided by 2. Pointer. Right? No. This. And then I just arc times arc amount. Probably have to divide this by like 3 for no reason. Just think it's gonna be too big. That does not work. Okay. Basically what I want to do is get distance from the center. This. So this is minus. No, this is plus 3. This is minus 3. Oh wait, do I just have to take the absolute of this? Almost. It's just in the wrong amount, wrong orientation. Okay, that's kind of extreme. And it's not centered. Nice. I could just do this slightly smarter. It's not much smarter, but so I need there is a float distance, which would be just a thing like that. I don't want to do it like that. So how does this look like? Yeah, but I need the absolute value of this. I think that's not how that's supposed to look like. Why? Actually, wait, I can just use that. Wait, what am I doing? This is centered anyways. Yeah. Need to make this much smaller. Incredible. Okay, well, now what? I guess I just... Nah. What's the next step? Why are there people pinging me everywhere? Okay, so... I guess I can... Well... Should work on this part. So instead of doing this, I have attacking web battles. So we need what? Wait, why doesn't this work? Now it does. Move camera to current weapon. Camera keeps looking at the enemy. Play animation. Attack animation. Damage enemy. Move to the next weapon. Sounds like a plan to me. So inside here, I'm gonna have a function called start battle. And then I'm also gonna have a camera 3D here. I'm gonna yoink some code from Unblight. These two. Don't need these. Guess I'm gonna keep this. Should I? I should probably, yeah. Gonna use it. Yeah, this should handle everything I want. Basically a 3D thing that just lets me do interactions with like raycasts in the 3D world. Because that's a pain to do, so I'm just gonna copy some code over. So this is our camera. It's an interact camera. And so this guy needs a camera parent. Which we move around because of camera shake, this cannot move around. Camera parent. So this way. Also, these guys. No, actually, I have to calculate the position inside here. I'm gonna go through each weapon in weapon spawner dot spawn weapons. This is not a weapon, this is a weapon instance. And each weapon instance will have a signal finished attack. It's gonna be a function attack. This will go ahead and enemy dot damage. For now, do something here, sure. And then this will call that. Actually, I don't even need to do this. I can just return a boolean here. So when I come here, I can go await. Then I can just do weapon.attack. It's for weapon to finish attack. Move camera to weapon. I'm just gonna set global position there, because I don't know, why not? Weapon.global position. Also, I need an offset. I'm gonna do some settings here. Battle config. Okay, let's put this underneath actually. Camera Y height. Let's put that to 1.0. How high is that actually? Maybe. I need camera offset. Times I need kind of the index actually. Wait, now I can just do weapon.global_position.x. Take the sign of that. Oh my god, my voice. Maybe, okay. Let's put that to like 0.4. So we have X offset, we have vertical offset. So it should just teleport there. Very cool. The voice is actually dying, that's insane. I'm like half sick, but not really sick at all. It's kind of weird, to be honest. And also I need to make camera parent look at the enemy. when I use Mother of Front. So I'm gonna add this into the console as well. So I can just... What? Oh. Oh, this needs a noise as well. I have to set stuff there. Oh well. Do I have this set up properly? Yeah. Okay. I see. I need to steal more code. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna steal all of these, actually. And I need to remove this part. Oh, because this is 2D. What? Oh yeah, this doesn't matter because that's 2D. This guy has to be 2D because mouse cursors are weird in Godot. What? How is that? What? Hmm. Why isn't that... What? I love random errors. Never mind, it's not even a thing. It is. Base near. Why is this? No. How is that possible? Oh, that's why. I see. Now I have to remove a bunch of stuff. It's gonna be interesting. Let's spawn a bunch of these. And start battle. Start. Oh yeah, I forgot to write this actually. Cool. Okay. Nice. I guess this is supposed to be fuzz, maybe. What? Let's make this longer so I can actually see what's happening. Because it's definitely not looking at where it's supposed to. Which is weird. Has this been rotated? Yeah, that's fine. This has no rotation on it. So I'm not quite sure what's happening. It's just looking at 0, 0. Oh, I know why. Because this needs target. So this should look at the camera target. Yep, okay. I also need a Z offset. Wait, why? Oh yeah, because of the angle. Yeah, that makes sense. I've been playing a lot of Cyberpunk again, and I'm reminded that every game needs double jump and dashing. I mean, it's probably more fun like that, yeah. Wouldn't say everything needs it, but it's definitely more fun. I could agree with that. Camera Z offset 0.2 maybe. I'm gonna add a small offset to this. Actually, I think the angle should remain consistent when it starts out, and then it will start looking at the enemy. while the attack is happening. Would make a lot of sense actually. I think. Oh well, it's fine for now. So we have... Yep. We need an attack animation. So that's actually in here now. We have the enemy. As an enemy. Damage. So this is in weapon instance. But that we have this guy. And I need to figure out a way to do animations on this properly. But I can just do tweening. It's a bit too limiting. I want to do traditional animation. So it's like animation player and stuff. But the first part has to be like tweening based. That's gonna be interesting. I guess I actually don't have to do animations for all of them. Can just do tweening for the ones that require tweening only, like throwing knives. Although, yeah, I guess I just have to make a separate script for all of them, which is kind of unfortunate. But oh well. Test weapon. So this we have an attack function. Steal the enemy. And basically this will go and let's get create tween. Set ease. Only neither actually. This doesn't need easing, this is just linear. Tween parameter is tween property almost. This is self global position to enemy.camera target.global position in like 33 maybe, and then we just return true. So I can actually evade this. I don't know if you need to return true to evade, but I don't know. Probably do. So now inside here, instead of that, actually I'm gonna do it like 0.5. We're gonna do we need this. Yep, cool. Mesh.attack. And we evade it. And then instead of putting the damage here, I'm gonna like put the weapon through that, or not sure actually. Actually no, I can just put this through. Now I need to do this. This damage has to be inside the weapon itself. Then I deal the damage here. This has the weapon instance. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tween this back. To vector 3.0. Yeah. And actually I can just connect the function to this. So I don't even have to do some weird stuff. Incredible. That didn't work. Never mind. Because this is doing global position. This needs to be regular position. Yay, I guess. Now we can just do whatever that is. And I'm pretty sure this is dealing damage to the enemy, right? Yeah. So if I do it one more time, yeah, then it's getting damaged right there. Incredible. So technically I can make an animation player here to do more complex animation, which I'm gonna do some point. Not right now, but probably later. Tomorrow or on Sunday, we'll see. This is such a simple game right now. Like I'm actually gonna be done with this in 3 days. Like with the base, and then I just have to do a bunch of polishing. Which is honestly polishing is the fun part. You just see a game and then it keeps getting better over time. And then you actually spend more time playing than actually developing the game, which is funny. Yeah. I see the potential here. I just need to do all of this. Like I have to do some camera work here as well. It's gonna be very interesting. Oh well. I think I'm gonna stop stream here for today. It's only 3 hours, but I wanna like, I don't know. It's gonna be some boring stuff coming up, so there's no reason to keep streaming for today. I'll just return tomorrow. Probably at the same time as today. So That's it for today. Bye. Has it stopped? It definitely hasn't. Stop streaming, YouTube. And I don't see the button.